Hi boys and girls, happy Mother's Day. How are you? How'd you get on with your sunflower yesterday? Did you manage okay? Yeah, it was easy, wasn't it? So today, the art project today is called Random Jigsaw, okay? And you might have noticed in your kit, you've got a cup full of random shapes, okay? And I bet you were thinking, what on earth is Arty Marty thinking of giving us all these random shapes? What can we do with these? Well, you can do lots with these. And I'm just going to show you what I did with mine. So basically what you can do, what you're going to do is you're going to play with them and see what can you make with the shapes. Can you make a picture using these shapes? And you would be amazed when you start playing with them what you'll start to see in the shapes. So I'm just going to show you what I did with mine, okay? So I started playing around with my shapes and I started to see a kind of a man forming there. Or it could be a woman in trousers and a cap. And then I started playing again, and then I started to see a dinosaur in the shapes. So the dinosaur is chasing after the man. But you can keep adding to this, and you can keep, what is the man chasing? Maybe the man is chasing, I don't know, let's see what we could have, what we could make out of these shapes. Maybe a little dog, maybe, and he's running as well. And maybe he's a unicorn, maybe. He's running as well. And then you can keep going and you can keep playing around with all these shapes and seeing what happens, okay? And then if you want to, like I cut out a little small piece for an eye and I cut out small pieces for teeth there as well. But I would be interested to see in the little cup that I gave you with all the shapes as to what you can make, okay? And if you take a little picture of each of the things that you make, there'll be a bonus for whoever does the most. So take a picture of each character or design that you've done, then mess it all up again and start again and see if you can do another one. Make sure and take a picture first because it's important so that we know, and then start again, okay? Maybe we'll do, I don't know, maybe I'll do a robot with this one. Okay, maybe get a body going there. So you can keep going and do whatever you think your shapes will work out at. But just play around and then see. So it's starting to look like a body there, isn't it? So we get another arm in there. We need to give him kind of a head. So we give him a head. So the man standing another way, different way. But I'm going to make him a robot. So he's kind of going to have buns on his head and things like that. And maybe he's going to have hands there. Oh, chunky hands. See what's happening? So what I want you to do is take a picture of each of your designs and then count them all up and then tell me how many you got. Obviously I'm not going to get you to send me every single picture because you could do hundreds of these, but maybe give me a total, or maybe Mummy and Daddy could do a collage of all your pictures and then you can send it to me. How's that? Is that a good idea? So I hope that makes sense. And I'm really looking forward to seeing your crazy random jigsaw pictures, okay? Have fun with this today, guys, and tomorrow I'll be back with the next art project, and I won't give it away today because it'll be a surprise. See you then. Have fun. Bye.